Hi guys, what's up? Today I just started recording because suddenly a king slime woken up. Okay, there's actually two reasons I'm making this video and not the other one. Reason one, it's shorter. Reason two, the other one, the Eye of Cthulhu or Chulu, takes too long to edit. So you might have two videos today or one video today. The reason I decided to upload this one is it's short, it's simple, and it looks good. A giant blob. What can you go wrong with a blob? With a ninja inside. Let's shoot it with fire. Yes, now it's on fire. It's on fire. I'm not scared of the king slime. He's weak. You're weak, sir. The Eye of Cthulhu is even stronger than you. Hiya, hiya. And die! I've defeated him. And I defeated the 50 blue slime. I'm awesome. Hey, you guys can't escape. No one will grow into another king slime again. How do you even summon a king slime? Weird. Ooh, I got a ninja hood. Yee, I'm a ninja now. Hee hee hee. I'm a ninja. 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 Anyway, ooh, the slime gun. I don't know what the slime gun does though. Let's have a look. Let's test the slime gun now. Oh, it's unlimited bullet. The unlimited bullet is nice, but guys, I think I'm gonna end the video. Anyway, bye!